Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss about the general science part 3. If you haven't watched my part first, you can view to my playlist over my channel. So let's start. The first question is streptomycin was invented by Voxman. Getting some reviews about streptomycin. Streptomycin is an antibiotic. It is used to treat bacterial infection obtained from actinomycetes. Then second question is penicillin was invented by Alexander Fleming. Penicillin is an antibiotic. It is commonly known as penicillin mold. It is a first antibiotic that was discovered accidentally. It is a natural antibiotic. Then third question is period of revolution of geostationary satellite is of 24 hours. It is revolution. So what's the difference between rotation and revolution? The rotation is the turning around on its own axis. अपने चारों तरफ घूमना. It's called rotation. And revolution is the movement around the earth. Revolution is movement around the earth in a time period. So the time period for revolution of a geostationary satellite is 24 hours. एक दिन में, that is 24 hours में वो पूरा एक revolution earth का ले लेता है. Then fourth question is glaucoma is treated by which drug? Glaucoma is an eye condition that damage the optic nerve. It is caused by abnormally high pressure to eye. Eyes में जब ज़्यादा pressure लगता है तो it is caused. Then glaucoma is the leading cause of blindness for people over the age of 80 years. It is treated by cholinergic drug. Then fifth question is ozone is produced from photochemical reactions. O2 के साथ O को add करते हैं, photochemical reactions होते हैं, उससे ओजोन प्रोड्यूस होता है. Then coming to the sixth question, the Statue of Liberty is green because Statue of Liberty पहले ऐसा था दिखने में, ये कॉपर का था बना हुआ. So it was like copper. Then after oxidizing of copper, it became green. So here the question 6, the Statue of Liberty is green because of oxidized copper. Then seventh question is yeast is used in making bread. Yeast is a fungus. It is used for making bread because it produces better dough and produce carbon dioxide, which makes the bread fluffy. Eighth question is which radioactive element is used as treating hyperthyroidism and reducing thyroid activity? Hyperthyroidism here is a disease of thyroid, and it is a disease of thyroid where the thyroid gland produce too much of hormone, that is thyroxine, and hyperthyroidism accelerate body's metabolism, causing unintentional weight loss and irregular heartbeat. So here, coming back to the question, which radioactive element it's asked which radioactive element is used for treating hyperthyroidism and to reduce thyroid activity, because hyperthyroidism is a disease where thyroid activity exceeds. So it is iodine 131. The ninth question is type metal is made by composition of. Type metal is a kind of metal which is used by the composition of lead, antimony and tin. Then 10th question is pollination of bird is called. Pollination of bird is a study called ornithology. Then here I have also included the cinchona tree for further question. You can see the picture. The next question, the 11th question is water is densiest at. It means कि सबसे ज़्यादा density water का कब होता है? It is at 4 degrees Celsius. So here is an abnormal property of water. It become its maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius or 39 degree Fahrenheit. It is because that the molecules are most closest at this temperature. So that's the reason. Coming to the next question, source from which quinine is extracted. So I have shown you the picture. I'm once again showing you. This is cinchona tree, and from its bark, the quinine is extracted, which is used for malaria. Then 13th question is chemical name of caustic soda. The chemical name of caustic soda is sodium hydroxide. Then 14th question is plaster of Paris is known as gypsum. Its scientific name is gypsum. प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस को हम एब्रीविएटेड फॉर्म में पीओपी भी बोलते हैं. द 15th क्वेश्चन इज कंपोजिशन ऑफ ब्रास. सो ब्रास इज कंपोज्ड बाय मिक्सिंग कॉपर एंड जिंक. तो इसको हम ट्रिक से भी लर्न कर सकते हैं. अल्फ़ाबेटिकल वाइज बी के बाद सी आता है, एंड ब्रास में अगर हम ब्रास को इफ़ यू विल प्रोनाउंस ब्रास एस को हम जेड भी बोल सकते हैं, ब्रास. सो जेड को यहाँ पे याद करेंगे, बी के बाद सी आता है तो कॉपर एंड जिंक ऐसे निमोनिक करके हम ये याद कर सकते हैं दैट ब्रास इज composed by mixing copper and zinc. Then next question is 16th question, that's mercury is obtained from cinnabar. Then 17th question is the science of weights and measurement is called, it's called metrology. 18th question, ammonia is compound of hydrogen with. So we can detect the answer from its formula. अमोनिया का फॉर्मूला NH3 होता है, तो हाइड्रोजन के कौन से कंपाउंड के साथ हम मिक्स करेंगे तो अमोनिया फॉर्म होता है, इट्स नाइट्रोजन. H के साथ N को ऐड करेंगे, N एक नाइट्रोजन के साथ 3 हाइड्रोजन को ऐड करेंगे, देन ओनली अमोनिया विल बी फॉर्म्ड. 19th question is which water when water freeze its volume. So when water freezes its volume increases. Then coming to the next question, amalgam is a mixture of metal with, amalgam is a mixture of metal with mercury. Amalgam is also used in filling up of teeth. अगर teeth में cavity हो गई है तो उसको filling करने के लिए amalgam भी use कर सकते हैं. Then coming to the next question is the 21st question. 21st question is largest gland of human body is. So largest gland of human body is liver. अगर gland की जगह organ बोला जाए तो it's skin, mind you. इसमें थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट हो जाता है, बच्चे गलत कर देते हैं. द लार्जेस्ट ग्लैंड इज लिवर हियर एंड लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन इज स्किन. द 22nd क्वेश्चन इज हॉटेस्ट प्लैनेट. हॉटेस्ट प्लैनेट इज वीनस. Venus can also be called as morning or evening star and it is also called as the brightest planet because it is so hot. उसकी जो rays होती है वो बहुत चमकती है, so it's hottest planet and also called the brightest star. Then 23rd question is when iron rust is its weight increases. क्योंकि rust एक compound बन जाता है iron के ऊपर जो उसको cover कर लेता है तो उसकी weight increase हो जाती है. 24th question is starch is digested by, it is digested by salivary amylase or we can say ptyalin. दोनों कंपाउंड से स्टार्च डाइजेस्ट हो जाते हैं. इनके एक ही कंपाउंड है ये, इसके अलग अलग नाम है. इट कैन ऑल्सो बी कॉल्ड टाइलिन और कैन बी कॉल्ड एज salivary amylase. 25th question is metal whose salt is sensitive to light is. It is silver. So that's why silver compounds are kept in black color plastic jars and kept away from the sunlight. Then 26th question is lightest substance. The lightest substance is helium. In the question, graphene aerogel is not mentioned. The lightest substance in the world is graphene aerogel. Then हाइड्रोजन, अगर ऑप्शंस में हाइड्रोजन होता तो हाइड्रोजन को टिक करते. इसमें ऑप्शंस में हाइड्रोजन नहीं था, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव गॉन टू हीलियम. एंड इफ इट इज मेंशन दैट लाइटेस्ट मेटल, इट्स लिथियम. लिथियम इज द लाइटेस्ट मेटल. 27th question is green plants store their foods in. It is leaves, we all know. That's why the leaves are called the kitchen of the plants. 28th question is vitamin C richly found in, it is citric fruits. 29th question is cataract is a disease of, it is a disease of eyes. Then 30th question BCG. BCG is a vaccine which is used to cure tuberculosis. So BCG का full form is Bacillus calmette guerin. And India has announced to eradicate tuberculosis. Indian government has announced to eradicate tuberculosis by 2025 during the Union Budget 2017 and 18. उन्होंने promise किया था that India will be eradicated from tuberculosis by 2025. So these are all 30 questions. Hope you liked it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. And if you like the video, please like the thumbs button. Thank you.